what will happen to some of the Muslims who died without repenting or making tawbah from their major sin? I would like to give you only 2 points at all. Some of them will be forgiven and will go to paradise without any punishment. It is the right and the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Other will be punished for a time limit in the hellfire, but not forever, like the non-believer. It should be remembered that when they will return from hell to heaven, on their forehead it will be written from hell or from dozakh. Thank you.